What you guys, got another video here for you. Now quite a few people have pointed out that I haven't done a video on file history, so that's what this video is going to be. How to back up your data with file history. Pretty straightforward and easy to do, so I'll quickly show you how to do it in this video. So first off, you're going to need to have a drive. Now depending on what sort of drive it is, this is just a thumb drive, but really you want to use quite a big drive to back up to, because obviously you want to have quite a bit of data. Or maybe you want to back up across the network, and you can do that also with file history as well. So I'm just using a little small example here just to show you. But once you've got that done and ready to go, you can click on the search and type file history, just like so. And you should see here in Creators Update version, backup settings. And you can also see restore your files with file history. So we're going to go to backup settings here. And this will open up the backup option. And from here, you can click on add a drive. So if you click on add a drive, you can see it's already selected this drive here. And it's automatically going to back up your files to that drive. Now there is some other options here if you want to. So you can click on more options. And as you can see here, it does open up the more options pane where you can say backup now, or you can back up every hour, every 30 minutes and so on. So you can choose daily, whatever you want to do here. Pick a time that suits you. Also keep my backups, and it says forever, or you can set this up until space is needed, or 1 month, 3 months and so on. So you can set this up to how you like. And you can back up these folders, so you can select whatever you want to do here, and it will select those, as you can see here. Add a folder. So if you want to add a folder, you can do by clicking on add a folder. But by default, it's going to do all those here, which are basically all your user profile folders here. But you can see also here we do have exclude these folders. So if you've got something that you want to exclude, maybe it's a large folder with loads of data in it, and you don't want to back that up using the file history, you can add that in also by clicking on that there and adding it in. Also you can see here back up to a different drive, so you can stop using this drive and use something else. And there's also advanced settings here as well, so you can go into here and you can see file history is now on, and it's automatically going to be start backing up to that the moment where we set this up. So you can see here we've got all this ready to go. So if I click on up the top here, you can see it's starting to back up my data here. It's backing up my data right in here because I've put daily, and now it's going to start to back up that data to there. So if we go here, we can go to here, and you can see already on that drive it's starting to back up data, my user profile and everything else in there. So very, very useful indeed. And that's basically how you can back up your data using file history. If you want to restore your data, you can come down to the search, type file history like so, and then click on the restore your files with file history. Now you're going to need to make sure the drive is plugged in, and then once you've got that plugged in, you can go to the location you want to restore to. So for instance, if I lost a picture on my desktop area and I want to restore it, there it is there. So I can highlight this one and click on this to restore to the original location, and there we go. The file is now there and it is now restored. It's that simple. So if I go back here, you can see the file has now been restored. It doesn't delete it on the backup, it just keeps it there and it restores it back. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can use file history to back up and restore your data inside Windows 10. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.